Hey everybody, it's Karla Dennis, and I am going to teach you how to grow a business, how to grow from zero to a $1 million business. And I do mean I am going to teach you exactly what I did. Where did I start from? I used to work a 9 to 5 job, really a job that was 9 to 9. I left that 9 to 5 job with little money in my bank account and I launched my own business. And I literally started my tax practice on the kitchen table of my house. I had my fair shares of ups and downs and downs and downs and a couple of ups. And then somehow, some way, my business just continued to grow. I got my first office, as you can see here in this picture, and I had to start paying that rent. But now I own a $1 million company. It didn't happen overnight. That is for sure. There are keys that you have to set your business up to do $1 million in revenue. And I am going to give you those keys. There are things that I wish I knew years ago, but I will teach you exactly what that is. And I am going to tell you the keys you need to have right now. And you really need to hear me. You're probably thinking, Karla, I don't know if I need this, but trust and believe this is what's going to get you from zero to a $1 million plus business, my friends. Number one key, you have to pick the right business entity. Too many of you are out there, my friends, guessing, should you be an LLC? Should you open it in Nevada? Should you open it in Delaware? You need to know exactly the right entity to be in for your type of business. And there's no one size fits all, my friends. I also want to give you 7 components you must have in your business to turn your self-employment into a business. You need to have 7 divisions. And I start off with division number 7 because division number 7 is the most important division. That division is you, the executive division. You got to get yourself together. You have to get your mindset right, and you got to be ready to go to work. So division 7 has to be in order. It is all the leadership, the vision, the legalities of your company. The next thing you need is division number 1, the communications division. This is the division that is going to receive communications and send out communications to your potential customers. Very important to establish the communications division. And in the beginning, you may be all of the divisions, but it's so important to make sure you understand that you need to have each one of these. The enrollment division is division 2. You've got to get people signed up for your services. You've got to get people buying your product. And how is that going to happen? That is going to happen in enrollment division, my friends. And of course, you have to have treasury. Treasury keeps track of the money. It invoices the customer. It sets the budgets. It sets the forecast for the future. Treasury is really important. And at the end of the day, you have to have production, a fulfillment division, making sure that whatever your customers are purchasing, you are delivering, whether it's a service, whether it's a product. You've got to make sure that that production division is in place. Division 5 is qualifications division. Is what you're sending out quality? How are you controlling that quality? That's very important, my friends. And then at the end of the day, you got to have the distribution division. The distribution division pushes out different additional marketing material so that you can get additional referrals. It's your PR in the industry. It is so important, my friends, that you establish these 7 divisions to take your business from zero to starting to make money, making that leap to $1 million, and then you'll have it. You'll be able to keep going, my friends. But let me tell you, how can you really get from point A to point B? How does it really happen? What are those really detailed steps, the minute details that Karla took to get there? Well, guess what, my friends? I will tell you on my webinar. I will reveal it. I will walk you through exactly what I did as a going from a 9 to 5 job to being self-employed, to being a business owner, to now being a CEO running $1 million plus company. I will reveal it on my webinar. Join me for how to write off almost anything. I'm so excited. Let's go together. I can't wait to see you on the webinar, and I can't wait to chat. I'm looking forward to it. Bye for now.